Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So, today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So, the first question is, consider the following statements regarding extratropical cyclones. First, extratropical cyclones can originate on both land and sea. Second, extratropical cyclones usually move in the east to west direction. Third, pattern of wind direction in extratropical cyclones is anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C 1 and 3 only. So second statement is wrong because under the influence of westerlies, the extratropical cyclones move in the west to east direction. Hence, statement number second is not correct, while statement number 1 and 3 are correct regarding extratropical cyclones. So you should know the important disasters like cyclones, earthquakes, floods, uh, and other disasters as well. So likewise, you can also read about uh, earthquake in detail. What is the type? What are the types of earthquake, and likewise cyclones as well. So in this way, you can prepare this topic, and it is very important topic from prelims exam point of view. So you should not leave this topic, and that's it about this question. So here is question number second. Consider the following statements regarding gravity anomalies. First, it refers to the difference between the observed value of gravity and the expected value of gravity. Second, it gives us information about the distribution of mass of the material in the crust of the earth. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C both 1 and 2. So both statements are correct regarding gravity anomalies. So you should know what is gravity anomalies. So this is all about question number second. Let us now discuss question number third. Indian Indian Oil Corporation recently began supply of biodiesel made from used cooking oil. So in this context, consider the following statements regarding blending of biodiesel. First, India has a target of blending of 20% blending of biodiesel in diesel by 2030. Second, blending of biodiesel is being promoted because biodiesel is rapidly biodegradable and completely non-toxic. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option B 2 only. So statement number 1 is not correct because the National Policy on Biofuels 2018 envisages an indicative target of 20% blending of ethanol in petrol and 5% blending of biodiesel in diesel by 2030, Hence, statement 1 is not correct. So in 2020 prelims also UPSC asked some question about this national policy on biofuels. So this is also very important and you should cover this topic from standard sources, and you should know what is the target of government of blending ethanol and biodiesel in diesel. So in this way you can prepare this topic, and in this question you can use elimination technique also, because in statement number 1 you must have read in the news that this statement is wrong. So that's why you can eliminate this, and the obvious answer is answer second, that is B, second only. So this was all about this question, and let us discuss question number 4. Consider the following statements. First, the point where the energy is released during an earthquake is called the epicenter. Second, tsunami would occur only if the epicenter of the tremor is below oceanic waters. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So, you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option B, 2 only. So the point where the energy is released is called the focus of an earthquake. Alternatively, it's called as the hypocenter. So that's why statement 1 is not correct. So the energy waves traveling in different directions reach the surface. Hence statement number 1 is not correct, while statement second is absolutely correct about tsunami. So you should prepare this topic from standard sources like earthquakes, tsunami, and landslides. Likewise, you can prepare about this topic. So let us now discuss question number 5. Consider the following statements regarding nebular hypothesis. First, it explains the formation of planets from a cloud of material associated with a youthful sun. Second, Immanuel Kant is one of the major contributors to this theory. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So, you have to tell the correct answer. You can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So both these statements are correct, that is regarding nebular hypothesis. So there are many hypotheses of the universe, so you can read that hypothesis as well. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.